Molly, and I brought some friends. Stand up. Let's march. Come on, guys. Yeah, get your bodies warmed up and moving. All right, let's point. Yeah, other way. One more time. All right, let's put our arms up. Yeah! Good job. Arms up. Yeah. Let's clap. Back and forth clapping. 1, 2, quadrant clapping. Quadrant. Good. Let's march. A little bit faster. Good. Yes, good job. Let's do a big rainbow. Woo, big rainbow. Yeah. All right, put your arms out big and tall. Let's go up. Yes. How can you not feel happy with this song? Should we try the quadrants again? Let's clap. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now let's see some of your own dance moves. Oh, look, I think Sloth wants to dance with me. Let's go, Sloth. Woo! All right, Slothy, here we go. Ready? Yes! Let's dance! Come on, quadrant claps. Good, let's march it out. Woo! Woo! How about a spin around? Good job! Oh, here we go. Get a stuffy and dance with your stuffy. This is Hansty. Woo! All right. This is Unicorn. Unicorn likes to do turns. Woo! Who did I miss? You're right. Panda. Panda likes to swing. All right, let's see you dancing. Let's just clap it out. How fast can you clap? Good job.